Let me show you how to install applications on your iPhone 17 and also 17 Pro. So when you get this phone, if you swipe to the right side, you should see all your apps available on your phone. Also, if you swipe down, you also can see them in the list view. So if you want to install more applications, you simply have to search for this icon. It's also called App Store. So if you click this, it will launch the App Store where we have all the apps. So you see, for example, you have different categories, for example, top games that you can download, for example, and bunch of other stuff. Also, you see you have the search option here as well. So for example, you can enter anything here and it will search for all the apps, for example. So you see, and if you want to install any of these apps, simply click Get. Okay. So, yep, let's click install. Also, if the app offers some in-store purchases, so if maybe some upgrades, it will ask to enter your passcode as well. So make sure to enter it here. Once entered, click confirm. And you see it will start to download. You can also, by the way, click on the app itself as well to explore more details about it. Even some screenshot. So you see, once it's installed, you can open it up. So you see this app is kind of like paid one as well. So that's why it asked for the passcode essentially. So you see, yep. And on your screen, also on the main screen, you should see your new app installed here as well. So if the app is free, for example, maybe some, for example, WhatsApp. So if the app is free, it doesn't require any payments. It actually won't ask for any passcodes and it will start installing right away. Then also, if you perhaps want to move these apps somewhere else, so you see you can click and hold on the app and move them pretty much anywhere else, maybe to a new page, or maybe pin it here in the bottom here, or whatever you really want. Also, at any time, if you want to uninstall this app, you can also click and hold on it and click remove app. So if you click remove from home screen, it will simply remove it from the home screen without uninstalling. If you click delete app, it will like permanently delete it from your phone storage and it will be gone forever. Good luck.